Hey everybody, welcome to Tool Time with J4 and J5.
It's time.
Hey Joseph, what's a pirate's favorite letter? Welcome back to Tool Time with J4 and
J5.
And we're here today to build a pirate ship. It is a pirate theme, and today we're taking on the Lowe's Build and Grow pirate ship. We've already unpacked all the pieces, and we're going to be following the directions here in front of us. Step 1, Joseph, we need to take the pirate body, and we're going to attach 6 windows with 6 nails. So let's get our glasses on. They're already on, and let's get our hammers. I'll open the bag, you grab your hammer. How about that? We're going to get 6 nails. Oh, that's it right there. All right, let's clear out the rest of our tools. And I'm going to put these right here. We're going to do one at a time. It's probably a good idea to practice a few swings before you start holding a nail with a miniature window for the body. But Joseph's had lots of practice, right? We got a first aid kit. Okay, here we go. Step 1. Here comes the first window. There you go.
That's really easy.
Give it a big whack. That's right.
If you want to do it with us, you have to get finger insurance.
All right. Next window. I have the nail. I got it. I'll hold it for you, and then you continue to nail, my boy. Joseph, what Star Wars character was really a pirate?
R2-D2.
Dad jokes. R2-D2. Go ahead.
R2-D2.
Let's do window number 3.
5. It's making it hard.
No, I gotta keep it flat on the tool bench. Go ahead. Perfect. Okay. Joseph, do you know what, before we nail the next one, do you know what that flag, the Skull and Bones flag, is called? Right here. I'm going to show the camera. Do you know what that's called?
A death sign?
It looks like, yeah, it's got a skeleton with an eye patch, but this is called the Jolly Roger, and we're going to be putting that on the mast later.
And the Lowe's flag.
Yeah, we're going to hang the Lowe's flag as well, yeah, when we get to the mast. Go ahead. Window number 4, sir. Yar, me matey. Very good with that hammer. And window number 5. Okay, window number 5. There we go. One big hit, come on. Oh! Oh! And that one's being a little stubborn. Yeah, let me get the daddy hammer. Daddy hammer. Say that window's not going anywhere.
That window's going everywhere.
It's going everywhere. What grade are you in? Tell everyone. What grade are you in?
2nd.
First grade, sir.
1st grade.
Yeah. And what's your favorite subject in school?
Recess.
Recess. Recess. What's a pirate's favorite subject in school? Art. Where's the hook? I need the hook. Can you say art?
Art.
Alright, let's hammer in window number 6. Whoa! There you go.
That
we
was
have
not going
completed.
everywhere. I damaged that one.
Step 1 is complete. Step 2, locate the plank. Here you go. And place it into the groove onto the ship base, and then locate the ship front, and we're going to nail it right on top. The other way, that's right. What's cool about the plank, let's show everybody how it works before we nail it down. Let's show everybody how it works. What's cool about the plank is it slides. So when you're ready to have someone walk the plank, it could come out.
Then first let's show them when we nail it, and then show.
And then show how it comes out. Okay, so let's line these up.
3.
There's one. We need 2 more. Let's line them up. Make sure everything is lined up. There's 2. And the third one. Oh. You keep falling down. Why?
I have no idea.
We got to nail you to the floor. Alright, ready? Daddy started them. Finish them off, sir.
You need one more.
I know, Captain. That's 1. 2.
Make sure to cover your ears.
Come on, big whack. There you go.
So that we wanted to show you is
That's right, we're walking the
lock
plank.
the plank.
Alright, next step. We need 2 more screws, nails, I'm sorry. And we're going to put the back on. I know these are the Lowe's Build and Grow kits, but Joseph, do you know where pirates love to shop?
Hold on.
It's Target.
Target.
That's right. Alright, let me tack them in. Alright, go ahead. 2 in the back.
Cover your ears again. Every time it's loud, cover your ears, please.
Excellent.
I can't do it.
Alright, let me take the daddy hammer out.
Oh, no.
This is Thor. Ready?
Oh, really?
1. Ready? Make sure it's in. Alright, this next part, we're going to be attaching the crow's nest. And the crow's nest is important because that's where pirates would go all the way up and they would look out to see if anything was in front of them or land.
Where's the ladder?
They climb the pole in this case. There's no ladder. We have to imagine. We could imagine, right? And this we have to nail directly to the post, which is going to be very difficult because I have a feeling I'm losing a finger. But we'll do it. Now do it very, very... No, the other way.
Careful.
Careful. There we
Okay,
go.
I got it.
You got it? Okay.
Ow.
There we go. You want me to hold it? Uh-oh. You're getting Thor. Alright, let me see. Let me see. Let me see.
I'll finish it off.
That's, I mean, it's in. You want to go all the way in? Because I think we're good where we are. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Now, before we attach the mast to the body of the pirate ship, we have some flags we need to fly. We got some flags. Let me see what flags we have. Right here. Come on back, sir. Come on back, Joseph. Well, before we put stickers on, we're going to paint it. I brought a special paint so we could use it. Alright? You know how to bend these? Okay, you bend them and I'll thread it through. So Lowe's flag will be on top. So Joseph's bending the flags in half in order to fit the mast directly through it. Okay, and we're getting a seal to catch some extra wind. That's a good job. Alright, so here we go. We'll fly the pirate's flag. Oh, am I upside down? Yeah, I'm upside down. We'll fly the pirate's flag up on top. Boom, 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 boom. Yar! And is Lowe's upside down? Lowe's is upside down. You might want to flip that flag around. Okay. There we go. Throw it on the mast. Throw the mast on the
Hammer
ship.
it down?
No, we're gonna paint it. So actually, I'm gonna take the flags off and let's get our paints out, and then we could paint our ships. Okay. All right. Let's keep our pieces together here. Oh what? So much paint! So much paint! We've got primary colors. We've got bright colors, we've got dark colors. This is more paint than we need for this pirate ship. And most importantly, we got brushes. Grab a brush. That's a daddy brush. That's almost a daddy bruch. You want to use the big one?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Sure.
I don't know if it's going to fit in the paint holder. That's a good brush for you. Why don't you use that brush and I'll use this brush. Okay. Thank you. Teamwork. Alright, now what color are we going to paint this ship?
Can we color different colors?
Well, what color would you want the bottom to be?
Blue.
Let's do blue.
Because it's kind of like water.
I like that. We're going to paint the bottom blue because it looks a little like water. Now you paint the bottom of it. Be very careful before you flip it around that it's got to be dry. Yar. Alright, let's get that painting going. Fill in the gaps. You're going to do the whole base, yep? Yep. This is the way we paint the ship. Okay. Alright, well thank you everybody for checking out our video. I hope you enjoyed building the pirate ship. Please hit that subscribe button. We'll send one of these kits to a random lucky winner. Joseph, let's say goodbye in old pirate fashion. Let's grab the hook.
Bye.
Oh, we got the hat. We're going full character. We got to see your face.
Army titties.